Hi guys, welcome back. I have a Target haul today, Valentine's Day edition. It's like a bunch of Valentine's Day stuff. It's a lot of, not a lot, it's some Target Dollar Spot, but also stuff I found in the other departments as well. Like a lot of food items. They had really fun Valentine's Day food stuff. A little bit of clearance stuff in there from the holiday season. I am going to jump right in with my favorite thing I found. Totally excited about these. This came from the Dollar Spot. Now, okay, I guess this isn't Valentine's Day, but it was part of the Valentine's Day stuff that they put out. It is a Dollhouse Kit. How cute is this? Like, that's what it looks like when you build it. So you get the whole structure, and I think, yeah, you get like little pieces. Like, there's a bathtub. How cute is this? It's adorable. It's 2 stories. This is so neat. So this was $5, and over like Christmas they had something similar to this where you could build like a gingerbread house that a child could actually go inside, and it was black and white, so you could color it as well. I bought so many of those guys because my daughter loved them, and it was such a great activity. It took time to build, and then she took time to decorate it, and then she took time to like play in it. She put her dolls in, and it would eat up a whole day, and it was blizzarding, you know, so I needed so many of those, and so I'm so happy that they have these out. And this one's cheaper than the gingerbread house. This one is $5. So this is just such a great rainy day, snowy day activity. And guys, I got 2 because there was that pink dollhouse, and then there's also a castle. I think I like the castle even more. How stinking cute is this? Oh my gosh, it comes with dragons. You guys, I'm probably gonna like this more than my daughter, but again, she absolutely loved the other version that they had. I'm so happy they put these back out. And then she can kind of trash it up, and after a week, I can throw it out if I need to, because it is just cardboard, but super, super fun. Oh my gosh, you get like a little horse. Totally into it. So that was that. This is probably my second favorite item. This is so pretty. This came from the Dollar Spot. This is $5. I love this. I love the metal. I love the little wood handles. I saw people hauling this online, and I was totally looking for it. I love a good tray. I like to corral stuff in my home. I put stuff together on trays, and I feel like even if you've got like decorations and knickknacks out, it looks organized and not cluttered. And $5 is such a great price. I can use this in so many different ways. Totally gonna put that to good use. I guess I'll start showing some of the food items because I have a ton of it. I got these Veggie Chips. They're little individual baggies, and the chips are shaped like pink hearts. How cute are these? How many do I get? 12? I don't know. Yeah, 12 bags. That's great. So I put a lot of this stuff in my daughter's snack for school. We pack her a snack every time she goes to school, and this is all stuff she would eat anyway, so it's just heart-shaped. Totally fun. This I love. These are so cute. Little baggies of pretzels. And I like that there's even room to put a message if you're giving them out. I did a Dollar Tree haul, and I mentioned I was doing little treat bags for my daughter's school and how I didn't want to put candy in them. Well, this is like a great alternative if you wanted to do something like that, and you could give the kids pretzels. Pretzels is an item that my daughter always has in her snack bag. So I let her usually pick what she wants to put in, and the pretzels always go in. So we always need little baggies of them, and they're X's and O's. Super, super cute. My daughter is also a gummy snack fanatic. Of course, what 3-year-old isn't? In fact, this box is already open. She had me open it in the store. So I got some Annie's Valentine's Day snacks. They're little hearts. How cute. They're like pinks and reds. Really adorable. You get 18. And then I also got her the Welch's fruit snacks, and these are different hearts. Really cute. These were not in like where you would typically find the items. Like if you have a gummy snack aisle, they're not with them. They were in a separate like seasonal Valentine's Day food aisle where they had all the Valentine's Day candy and stuff. If you frequent your Target, you probably know what I'm talking about. I also got a box of cereal bars. These are really cute, and they've got red and white sprinkles on them, little chewy bars, and I think they're small. They're like mini. So that's perfect for a toddler. I am gonna give my daughter's teachers Valentine's Day cards, and then I picked up some of these to go with them. I thought these were really pretty. So it's a little chocolate apple. It's Dove, so who's not gonna like that? And I just like that it's made for a teacher. It says #1 teacher. They had a couple different versions of these in different, like they had Ghirardelli ones, but they had a whole end cap that was all teacher candy. I think that's really nice and thoughtful. So not only are you giving your child's teacher something, but you're showing that it's not just something I had in my house. I was thinking of you when I bought it. I really liked that. This is a Target Dollar Spot item. Oh, I think this is so pretty. I am obsessed with cake plates, cake stands. I have too many, quite honestly. I really love displaying something on a cake plate. Target has had these in years past in the Dollar Spot. This is $5, and I've always wanted to buy one because I don't have a pink one, and I love the pink. And this year I was like, okay, fine, I'll buy it. This is gonna look so pretty. I have like an area in my kitchen where I can put stuff in little cubbies. Is that the right word? I don't know. But this will look really, really pretty out in the kitchen for this time of year. And then I got a mini cake stand. These are so cute. So this one's ceramic. The pink one is tin. If you can hear that, I don't know if you can. The pink one is tin, but this one's ceramic, and this one was just $1, and they had a bunch of different colors. I got this because I'm biting the bullet. I love the look of a little stand like this by your sink with your soap on it. So that's what I'm gonna do with this. Oh, I got this banner. This is adorable. I really love this. This is from the Dollar Spot as well. This is $3, and so it comes with a string, and then it's got these like envelopes. Can you see there? It's an envelope banner, but you can actually put stuff in the envelopes. You can actually put little notes. Look, love notes. How cute is that? You could do almost kind of like a Valentine's Day advent calendar and put like a note in each envelope to open up in the days leading up to Valentine's Day. I just think that's a really pretty look. Can you see what it looks like? All done up. I don't know. Really, really cute. Like, leave love notes to your spouse, your significant other. I got, oh, what's in here? I got some socks at the Dollar Spot. Mickey, my daughter was with me and she loved them. If you watch my channel, you know we are Mickey fans. I also like them though. They've got like the rubber grippies. My daughter's feet get cold and she always wants to wear socks around the house, and I don't love it because we have wood floors and she slips. So socks with grippies are great. This might be my last item, and it's one of the best things I found. I got her, this is one. I actually got her 2 of these. So all of the Christmas stuff was on clearance, guys. And they were considering this nightgown a Christmas item, even though it's really not. It's just the princesses. There's nothing Christmassy on it. And it was on clearance for $3.88. So I picked up this one, and I also got her an Elsa version in blue, which I don't have because she demanded she put it on right away. So it's in the wash now. But she is at she's at a stage where she only wants to wear dresses. So it's freezing cold outside. I put dresses on her, and then I put sweatpants under the dress and a sweatshirt over the dress because she just will not wear anything except a dress, and that includes to sleep. So I needed some little sleep dresses, and these are perfect. So $3.88 discounted from $13. Great. If they had had more, I would have bought more. I was totally happy to find that. That is it. Let me know in the comments what your favorite item was, what you're on the lookout for this Valentine's Day season. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget, hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I do videos every single week. I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.